travel agent tip of the day. Do you send your clients to Jambo House or Kindani Village? Let me know in the comments below what you prefer, and I'm going to give you my 2 cents here today. Hey guys, good morning. Corin's hiding because he was dancing a second ago. I'm put that in the blooper reel. We decided we're gonna head over to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're at Kindani Village today, Kindani Village, and we're gonna check out the bread service at Sanaa. Have you guys done the bread service before? We've actually stayed here so many times in the hotel, and we've never done the bread service, but today we drove over from our other property we're staying at, and we're going to show you guys what this famous bread service is all about. So, let's go check it out. Okay guys, so Corin just found something really awesome that I missed. Corin, will you share with everybody?
I'm visiting Mickey.
Dun, dun, dun. We found a hidden Mickey right on the table. Good job, Corin.
Alright,
nice.
The bread, the cup, the spicy naan, the garlic ginger, traditional, paneer paratha, and the onion culture on the bottom.
Nice.
And the sauces, the red chili sambal, jalapeno lime, both are spicy. Coriander chutney and the pickled garlic, that's for the flavor. The hummus, tomato jam, tamarind chutney, mango chutney, and the cucumber rider, the mild and sweet. So the spicy is going to the mild.
Nice. Great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's do this live. We're going to do it live and check it out. It looks really good.
Did you walk through all the bread?
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. Thank you. Sounds amazing. Thank you. Okay, so I think we said that one was hummus, right? Let's see. Is it good? That's good. Okay, I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try. Which bread did you try? I'm gonna try the same bread, and I'm gonna try this chutney one, which is kind of like yellow, because he said it was mild. So let's see. It's good.
I'm gonna try a spicy one.
You gonna try a spicy one? Yeah, try a spicy one. Bella's gonna go for it. She's gonna try a spicy one.
Yeah, I mean I do like spicy stuff, so it shouldn't be too bad.
I think he said the spicy was this side.
No, he said it goes spicy.
Oh my gosh, I almost misread that. So Bella pointed out it goes kind of like in a U shape. So
Yeah.
she's trying the most spicy one.
Okay. That is spicy.
It is spicy?
But it's not like,
Is that good
your
flavor?
tongue's not gonna burn off.
What about this green one? It looks like it has some cilantro maybe?
Or maybe we're just, you know, that's probably just spicy balls.
Let's see. I don't know what's in there, but it's good. Alright, we're gonna enjoy this, y'all. And if you're coming to Sanaa, highly recommend trying the bread service. We're enjoying it and we're not even like fully into it yet. So yeah. Okay, so Bella and I, we've tried between the two of us, we've tried all the dips so far. And what is your favorite?
I like the hummus. I also like the spicy one.
Bella's favorite is the, hang on, let me do a kind of an overview. So Bella's favorite is the hummus, which is this one here. Very good. My favorite is this one. It's a tomato date. It actually is kind of sweet. This, if you are a garlic lover, this is delicious. It has a little bit of a kick to it. I don't know what is in this green one, but it's pretty good too. Bella, I didn't try the spicy one because it has...
It's kind of like, it's not that spicy. Like if you eat a jalapeno, obviously that's going to be spicy. But like, if you just take like the sauce and put it on there, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
And then this one had a little bit of spice, but it wasn't like too...
Yeah, it tastes kind of barbecue-y, like
barbecue-y?
Like barbecue tomato. If you ever had anything like that, that's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
I would say. And then this one here, next to the tomato date, my favorite, it's very liquidy, almost like a soup consistency. It's mild and good. And then this yellow one was delicious. Actually, I think that's mango chutney of some kind. Yeah. It does have, I felt like it had a little bit of kick, unless I was just getting that left over the other sauces. And then this one is more of like a Greek
It's like a calming kind of.
Yeah, obviously like maybe sour cream based with some spices and cucumbers in there. So
At first I was like, people really go all the way over the Animal Kingdom for the bread service at Sanaa? Like, is that a thing? I see why it's a thing now, because I think it was $17. We got drinks, and this is enough, like, especially when it's hot and like super humid. You don't want like a heavy meal, especially in the middle of the day. I think this is great for lunch, especially like me and Bella are sharing it, and I'm like almost full, and we're like a quarter of the way of what we've eaten so far. So I would say, yeah, if you have the time and you like bread and you're a foodie, like definitely check out the bread service at Sanaa. I'm a fan. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. All right, we're gonna finish this meal. Not the dessert menu. I have my glasses on because this is serious business.
Oh yeah.
So they have Saradura butterscotch pudding with almond coffee streusel, pineapple, mango, and shortbread. Maybe. Kenyan coffee. Petite. That sounds good. African triple chocolate mousse. That sounds amazing. And the spice trade candy bar with coconut, apricot, caramel, pistachio, cashew bar, coated with milk chocolate, topped with chai cream. That's my favorite. I know what I'm getting. That's the chai cream I was telling you guys about with a waffle. Just because it has that on there, I'm getting that. So, and then there's a kheer, I think I'm pronouncing that right, coconut rice pudding with cashew streusel and saffron poached fruit. So, let's check it out. What are you gonna get? Okay, we'll be back in a moment. How happy I am right now. So you may have heard me mention earlier that we usually come here for the waffle and chai cream, and I asked the server if I could get coffee, and she brought me this cute little side of chai whipped cream. So I'm super happy. We're about to have our desserts, and I'm gonna have a chai coffee now. So yay Disney, yay! You like it, right? 100% best lunch since we've been here. Yeah. All right, the desserts are here. Bella, do you want to tell us about your awesome dessert?
Yes, I got one that's like very banana oriented. There's banana chips on the bag because I don't like bananas. But I decided, hey, might as well. So, got my banana chocolate raspberry stuff. I'm going to eat it and it's going to be good.
Yeah.
I hope.
And I'm going to share, Corn and I are going to share, and we got the little candy bar. I literally can't remember the name of it now, so we'll let you know how it is. How is it? Let's do this. Okay. Bella, give us a bite live. Corn, do you want to try the candy bar? Yeah. Hang on, wait till Bella's done.
Okay.
Bella first. How is it, Bella? Crunchy? Is it good? You like it? Yeah. All right, Corn, you're up.
You want me to have all stuff in it?
Try anything you want. Take a nice big bite. Tell everybody how it is. It's hard, huh? Oh yeah, you gotta get in there, man. Jeez, get in there. Candy bar is hearty. What do you think? Do you like it?
A lot of emotions.
It's got you're going through a lot of emotions. What are your emotions? Tell us.
It's like a caramel was a gummy.
It's like if a caramel was a gummy?
Yeah.
Wow. What else? Let's take a peek inside. Oh my gosh, you're right, look. So it does.
It has a little bit of coconut flavor.
Has some coconut flavor. It's got a little bit of chai cream there on the top. So would you recommend it? So would you say thumbs up or thumbs down?
I think like thumbs up but a little bit.
Thumbs up but a little bit sideways.
And not this, just like a little.
Just okay. So like 78%. Mine too. Try the Spice Road candy bar.
And Corn was right. It takes a minute to kind of dig in there. The server described it as a Snickers bar on steroids.
Gets better every time with coconut.
With coconut.
It gets better every time.
It has like a familiar flavor, but I can't place it. It's good though. Coconut, dates, nuts, a little bit of chocolate, but a lot of healthy things in it. But it really does taste like a kind of like a Snicker bar.
Like if you hate bananas, you don't get this just because, like I don't hate them. Like it's just good. It's like chocolate kind of stays it. But if you like absolutely hate bananas, this is not the dish for you at all.
Okay, so if you're not a banana fan, don't get the caramel, the DZ, I think is how it was pronounced. But I would highly recommend the Spice Road candy bar. It's good. So one more thing, if you're DVC or you're an annual pass holder or both, always make sure you mention that to your server. I just mentioned to the server, we happen to be DVC and annual pass holders, and a lot of times I'll just say DVC because it's easier and I have a picture of it on my phone, but today I said both, and she said, I'm glad you said both because it's actually 20% off. Oh my gosh, so what is happening right now? One moment. It's a birthday celebration going on. Birthday to the guy over there. But just to repeat, if you are an annual pass holder and a DVC, make sure you tell your server that you are both, at least one, but there happens to be a special going on for annual pass holders at lunchtime only at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Sanaa. You get 20% off, so we just found out by chance, so I thought I would pass that little tip along. So we just had an amazing lunch at Sanaa, and I have to say, it was a little noisy in the restaurant, so hopefully you guys can hear everything we said about the meal, but we just came from lunch service. We got the bread service, drinks all around, 2 desserts. I had coffee at the end, 36 bucks. That's like 12 bucks, that's average 12 bucks per person for lunch in Disney. That's like quick service prices, but you actually sat down, relaxed, had a great time. So I would highly recommend the bread service at Sanaa. I think it was really good. And fun to come out and have the kids see the animals here. And in Sanaa, if you sit in, we were in the lounge, but if you sit in the restaurant area, you can actually see the animals right outside your window. And the waitress was so nice, she brought me the chai cream side, which is my favorite thing for breakfast here, so I was so happy about that. So if you guys have the chance, come on over and check out the bread service at Sanaa. You won't be sorry. Hang on, look what the kids found.
You found her name that we put on a few years ago.
You found her name!
We put it on a few years ago.
The Williams!
We found it again.
That is so cool. We like it. Look at all the family names. It's pretty neat, huh?
It's short.
Are we excited to find your name? Yeah, super cool. Alright, we're gonna go over and check out the big souvenir shop at Jambo House. Corn's on the hunt for a Tigger? You don't want me to tell everybody? You're on the hunt? Yeah. He's on the hunt for a Tigger. He wants one. So, alright, let's go. That was pretty good. kinds of fun stuff. I always love the stuff they have at Animal Kingdom Resorts. So fun. I love these Simba ears. Have you guys seen these? They're little headbands, but when you wear them it looks like you have a Simba. How much are these little guys? Let's find out for y'all. One doesn't have a tag. They're free. Just kidding. Okay, $21.99 for your cute Simba headband. And with Lion King coming out soon, lots of fun little pics. Some cute new mugs. Animals everywhere. I like this one. This is so cute. This looks like a mug that my husband would like because it's so giant. I love these. These are super cute. Little tin. Those are fun. They have a little hook on the top so you can hook them to your bottle. $20. And then if you're a Pandora collector, they usually have some exclusive Pandora charms you can only get here at the parks. So be sure to check those out. So I have to say I'm loving this cute mug. But I feel like it's a little bit on the high side. $23, $22.99. Normally they're around $15, $16, $17. But it is super cute. This is the Animal Kingdom right inside. It's fun. Hey, travel agent. So one of the things you want to think about if you're going to be putting your clients at Animal Kingdom, there is Kindani Village and there's also Jambo House. So a lot of times clients and agents alike will ask, well, you know, if both are available, which one should I put my agents at? So a lot of people have different opinions. If you do, put it in the comments below. But I prefer Jambo House. And the reason why is Jambo House is also connected to, in Jambo House is the Animal Kingdom Hotel. And it also has a portion that's sectioned off for the DVC. But Jambo House is larger. When you walk in, all the pictures you see of the 3-story tall, maybe more than that, atrium, and the view when you walk in and you get into the lobby, that's at Jambo House. Kindani Village is a little bit smaller when you walk in, and also the gift shop is way bigger in Jambo House. The pool, I think, is nicer at Jambo House as well. So that's usually where I put my clients just so they're not disappointed. But if the only thing available is Kindani Village, it's still a very nice property. You still have the same access to the animals in terms of views and things like that. And also Kindani Village has Sanaa, which has the cool bread service, right? So that's fun. And they do have a transfer bus that goes back and forth. So even if they're staying at Jambo House and don't have a car, rather than take the giant bus over, you can check out front, and a lot of times they'll have a transfer that's running back and forth between the resorts, so you can go swimming at the other pools and you can enjoy the amenities over at either resort depending on where they're staying. So that's my travel agent tip of the day for you guys. Enjoy your stay at Animal Kingdom. It's so amazing. If you haven't done it yourself, I highly recommend it. Take a moment to let you know if you're thinking about getting into the travel industry, if you have a travel business but it's stalled and it's not growing and you're not sure how to kind of get to that next level, I want to invite you to apply for the Cruise on Vacation program, because that's exactly what we do. We teach people how to grow, how to launch and build amazing travel businesses. So no matter what, I wish you guys so much love and abundance. We're going to have more videos over on YouTube, so continue to watch us over there. And if you're ready to get serious about your travel business, apply. Click the link below, cruiseonvacation.com, ready now. And we'd love to talk to you about that. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.